Right, today is going to be just a short video. Having assembled the X assembly, jumped ahead and did something slightly different from the instructions. I've mounted the rails left and right, or right and left. The way the instructions show it is to actually lift the whole lot into place and balance it on bits of foam, which will probably work quite well. But having said that, there is an easier way, a simple trick, and that is to remove the bolts, nuts with the V spindles, what are they called, and both sides, this is, and then just lift that into place so it's mounting on the right and the left, and that then runs quite smoothly on the tracks. So having done that, then put back in place the actual, just try to get it in focus, put in place the V nuts on left and right hand side with the eccentric nuts. So I'm going to do that and come back in a sec. Okay, so the V rollers have been put in place, both sides with the eccentric nuts, and a demonstration. All rolls super duper. There we go. So we'll see you on the next video. Bye.